And let's see, this is before and this is after. And if you want to see in details, this is how it looks before and this is after. It's a big difference in my opinion. Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and in this video I will show you how to improve the photo qualities on Samsung phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025 and here are some photos made by me. And I want to show you how to improve the quality of these photos using the AI features from this phone. So this is the first picture, and to improve it, you can do it by putting your finger here on the AI icon, tap on it, and here we have three options. The first one is Colorize, the second one Remaster, and also we have the Object Eraser. Now I will go to the second one, Remaster. Wait for a few seconds to see the magic. And now this is the before and this is the after view of this photo. And from here you can save the new photo or you can save a copy. So let's save a copy. So this is the original and this is the new one. And also if you tap again, you can colorize this photo and let's see again the magic. And this is after and this is the before view. So I will tap more and save copy. And this is how it looks now. Okay, now I will go to the next photo and here I have a painting. And if you don't want to tap on this icon, you can do it by tapping the screen and swiping up. And here we have again the remaster button, tap on it. And now let's see the magic. And let's see, this is before and this is after. And if you want to see in details, this is how it looks before and this is after. It's a big difference in my opinion. More details. Here is before and here is after. So in my opinion, it's a very big difference. I will tap more and save a copy. And this is the original and this is the new photo. And it looks very nice. Okay. And also if you wonder who painted this, just press and hold on the home button and now circle the painting like this. Wait for a few seconds. And here we have the AI answer. This is the painting Drunks After Dumier by Bogdan Țigan. Okay, and yes, this is true. And also you can see here the painting on this site. So the AI it's working. Okay, so this was my video for today. Please let me in the comment area what do you think about this remaster AI feature. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe on my channel and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.